refreshing beverages are always essential in the summertime. Hydrate healthier with a new spin on tea. Hi, I'm Erin Good, a Hy-Vee registered dietitian. And today on Hy-Vee Healthy You, I'll show you an easy hack to help you consume more fluids without it feeling like a chore. I'll drink to that. Get your summer party on with pineapple acai green tea fizz. To get started, brew 3 bags of Doadon pineapple acai green tea with 3 teaspoons of honey in 12 ounces of hot water for about 3 minutes. Thanks to the natural protective barrier, the probiotics in Doadon probiotic tea can survive in hot water without losing their health benefits. These probiotics have proven effective in reducing gastrointestinal symptoms, offering relief for those experiencing discomfort after meals. Next, pour 6 ounces of the brewed tea over a glass filled with ice cubes. Top off the glass with a splash of club soda for a light, refreshing fizz. Finally, garnish with fresh pineapple slices or freeze-dried pineapple chunks for a tropical touch. And there you have it, a pineapple acai green tea fizz, perfect for any time of day. With Doadon tea, you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, you're embracing a lifestyle of wellness and flavor. Refresh, rejuvenate, and revitalize with every sip. Find Doadon tea at your local Hy-Vee. Find this recipe on Hy-Vee.com. Your path to a healthier you starts at Hy-Vee. Let our team of registered dietitians help provide nutritional guidance and support tailored to your lifestyle.